Hey guys, John Manchimelli here from Finance and Property Mastery. Now, when you think about the team that surrounds you for your finance needs and your property aspirations, one of the biggest critical players in that team will be your mortgage broker. Now, a little inside tip, mortgage brokers every day get inundated with emails from lenders. And so it is actually physically impossible to keep up to date with all the credit policies. Imagine for a moment that you're working with 30 suppliers and every single day from those 30 suppliers, you're getting emails updating you on those various credit niches. So instead of being a jack of all trades, the really good mortgage brokers specialize in something. So if you're a first homeowner, it makes sense to go to a mortgage broker who specializes in first homeowners. If you are a developer, then it makes sense to go to a mortgage broker that only does development. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So on your screen, guys, is an email that I received from Suncorp. And you notice that the title here that you can see is Suncorp wants your investment loans. Now, why is this important? It's important because I've been back at work for 5 days and I've been inundated with all of the lenders and all the latest specials and things like that. Now, as a mortgage broker that specializes in the investment property space, what sort of emails do you think are going to be the ones that interest you as a property investor? The first homeowner emails, the asset finance emails, or the investment property emails? And this is a classic example of the sorts of things that I, as a broker, would be on the lookout for. So if you are looking to do something else like a commercial property development, there are other brokers that do that much better than me and who would have a better understanding of all the LVRs and so forth associated with developments. So back to property investment, if you look here, she's alluding to the fact that if you have an LVR between 0 and 60%, Suncorp has the second sharpest rates in the country. Again, LVRs between 60 and 70%, second sharpest interest rates in the country. And so as you go down here, 70 to 80%, you can see that it's either the second or the third most sharpest interest rates, and also between 80 and 90%, the second sharpest interest rates. So what does this all mean? The moral of the story is to find brokers that specialize in the category or segment that you're interested in. You see, mortgage brokers are like the GPs of the medical world. They have to know a little bit about everything. But every now and then you'll find a GP that has a very good specialization, for example, pediatrics. And the same applies with mortgage brokers. Consider the fact that they get inundated with all these emails, but they will pay particular attention in the area that they've chosen to specialize in. So I hope that gives you a great tip moving forward. Find that mortgage broker that specializes in your category and you will do very well. Bye for now.